Do you want to know about three most powerful techniques and smart strategies of speaking English confidently, fluently, clearly, and correctly? There are three most powerful techniques if you want to acquire the proper understanding of language and you want to speak English with great confidence. Genius Institute Lahore is going to help you out.
Hi,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm good. What's about you?
Fine also. What's going on?
Nothing special. Would you like to have something?
Yeah, I'd like to having a coffee.
Okay, can I have some snacks also?
Yeah, sounds great. I appreciate it.
Why are you looking upset?
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, my friends, very good morning. Do you want to know about three most powerful techniques and smart strategies of speaking English confidently, fluently, clearly, and correctly? Your answer would be big yes. Of course, you would like to do that stuff. For doing it, there are three most powerful techniques. Number one is practice. Number two is practice. And number three is, of course, practice. You can't learn language without being in practice. And you need a platform like Genius Institute Lahore if you want to acquire the proper understanding of language and you want to speak English with great confidence. Genius Institute Lahore is going to help you out with its lots of practice exercises like presentations, conversations, grammar activities, vocabulary enhancing, and last but not the least is about pronunciation and accent class. So we are going to have a practical class today, a practical session. Here you go. Dear friends, now there are three pairs sitting in front of me and they're going to practice one by one, and they'll speak. They'll previously learned all the chunks of words, the group of words which they had previously learned for spoken English. Yes, please. The first pair.
Hi,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm good. What's about you?
Fine also. What's going on?
Nothing special. Would you like to have something?
Yeah, I'd like to having a coffee.
Okay, can I have some snacks also?
Yeah, sounds great. I appreciate it.
Why are you looking upset?
Actually, I'm looking for a job and I hardly need it. That's just why.
Oh, no worries. We'll discuss this and find the solution.
Okay, sure. Could you just ask for the coffee again, please?
Yeah, I also hungry. I can't wait. I'll also go to for interview.
Oh, I see. Are you going somewhere for an interview?
Yeah, I have to go to multinational company.
Which company you're talking about?
Ibex, do you know?
As far as I know, it is located in Canalville Society. Can I join you?
To be honest, it's up to you.
Okay, I see what you mean. What's the procedure or criteria for getting a job?
It mainly depends on your communication skills and qualification must be graduation.
Okay, I got you.
Have you interest to join this company?
I'm not sure about this company yet.
Okay, I'm getting late. I'll get back to you after the interview. Thank you.
Okay, sure. See you later. Bye.
What a wonderful conversation. Wonderful conversation. This is really amazing conversation, please. Now, let us know about the chunks you have used in the class, in the conversation today, please.
Chunks are used to.
Sorry?
The chunks we
I-
used are would you like to,
Would you like to?
I'd like to.
can I have,
That sounds great.
I'm looking for,
No worries.
could you,
I can't wait.
let me know.
Do you know?
As far as I know,
To be honest,
it's up to you.
by the way,
It depends.
I see what you mean.
I'll get back to you.
I'm not sure.
I appreciate it.
Fantastic exercise. This is a brilliant idea. Now, pair number two is in focus now. They are going to give a conversation. What's the topic, please? It was a friends conversation, actually. Now, about you guys, what's your topic for conversation?
The topic of our conversation is the exam preparation in a library.
Exam preparation in a library, and you're speaking there in the library, whereas you should have observed silence there. Library and silence go together, but maybe out of library, you are talking to each other. Okay, great. Sure, here you go, please, guys.
Hey Bilal, I would like to talk to you about something.
Sure, what's up?
Actually, I'm looking for a place to study. Have you any suggestions about that?
Let me know what kind of environment you prefer. Do you like quiet place?
Yes, I do. But tell me, can you give me your notes that might help me in examination?
Of course, could you please remind me later? I may forget.
Sure, I will remind you later. Actually, I'm looking for study in a library. What do you think about that?
I'm not sure. I have some work. But I might be able to join you.
Sure, hope we will do the best preparation in a library.
I appreciate the idea, but I feel like study at home today.
Studying at home today is also good, but in a library we can engage better, and studying at home is quite boring.
I see what you mean. Let's go to library then.
Okay, we will go in a library in the evening and we enjoy the best time there.
Yeah, I know. I know. To be honest, I wasn't planning study today, but you motivate me.
Oh, it doesn't matter. As long as you start, it doesn't matter when you start.
True, and if we finish early, we can grab some coffee.
Yes, we will do, but it depends upon how much syllabus we have covered.
I hope so. I really catch up on my studies.
Yeah, I think so, you will. But I will also help you too.
Thanks, buddy. I rather study with you than struggle alone.
Yeah, as I already said, in a library we will enjoy a good time and we will engage better.
Haha, what do you mean? Study is never fun.
For me, it's a fun, and for you, it's none of my business.
All right, could I agree more? Group study is very helpful.
Yes, it will more helpful when we study together in a library.
Sure, I will get back in an hour. First, I finish my work first.
Yeah, but please don't delay because if the library get crowded, I will have nothing to do.
Don't worry, I will be there on time.
See you soon, inshallah.
It's a been lengthy conversation. It was hard to memorize, but still they kept in mind certain ideas. Now, please tell me about the chunks you have used, please.
The chunk I have used in my conversation are those. I would like to.
I'd like to.
I'm looking for.
I'm looking for.
By the way,
By the way,
let's make.
let's make.
It's up to you.
It's up to you.
Can I
It's
have-
up to you.
Can I have?
Can I have? All right, great.
Chunks I use in my conversation. What's up? Let me.
What's up, Lemmy?
Could you please?
Could you please?
I feel like
I feel like,
let's
let's,
to be honest,
to be honest,
I'd rather.
I'd rather. Very good. Good exercise. Okay, the pair number 3 now, guys. What's your topic, please, for conversation?
To go for a new restaurant.
You're going to the new restaurant, want to have some fun and taste the dishes there. Right.
Hi Mustafa, I'd like to grab lunch together today.
Sounds great. I'm looking for a new restaurant to try.
How about that new Italian place downtown? I've heard good things.
That sounds is a great idea. To be honest, I am craving pasta today.
Awesome, let's go. By the way, have you seen my mobile phone? I think I left it at your place.
Yeah, I think I saw at coach. It'll get back you later. No worries.
Thanks, buddy. I appreciate it.
It's none of my business. But are you okay? You seem a little bit. You seem a bit stressed.
Oh, I am just dealing with some work stuff. But thanks for asking. That's a good point. I should take some break.
Yeah, it get back you later about your phone. Okay.
That sounds great. Thanks. Thank you. The chunks that
Okay, very good. Conversation is good. Now, please give me the chunks you have used in your conversation.
the chunks that I have used are I'd like to I appreciate it. How about by the way, that's a good point. And yours?
My chance is to be honest. To be honest, I'm looking for. No worries. No worries. It's none of my business. It will get back to you later.
I'll get back to you later. Thank you very much, guys. Good practice, certainly, undoubtedly. Start.
Our topic is about studying in abroad.
Studying abroad. Your topic is about studying abroad. The conversation is about studying abroad. Okay, there are two guys having conversation about studying abroad. Yes, please.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
I am fine, and what about you?
I am fine here. Okay, I would like to study abroad.
I would.
Yes, of course.
Yes, of course.
I'm looking for such countries that are good in IT field,
Let me know what country do you choose.
like America and Australia.
Can I have tell you what which is country?
Sorry, can I have?
Can I help you? Which country is best for you?
According to my opinion, Australia is best for IT.
That's a great. I appreciate you. And about my opinion is that America is best.
Yeah, America is also best, but Australia, that sound great.
It's up to you. Which country do you like?
I feel like Australia is best.
By the way,
I feel like choosing Australia because that sounds great.
my opinion is that America is best for you.
I can't wait for those in studying in America or Australia.
I can't wait studying there in America or Australia. Can't wait.
It does not matter which country do you choose. It depends on your hard working and your patient.
To be honest, it's such a great idea.
Thank you very much. Great. And please let us know about your chunks.
Sir, my chunks is
My chunks are.
I'd like to.
Okay.
Let me know. Could you please?
Right.
That sounds
great.
That sounds great. I appreciate it. I feel like, as far as I know, I can't wait. It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. Right.
The chunks which I use, I am looking for. Can I have? I am not sure. How about? I appreciate it. I feel like, as far as I know.
Thank you very much, guys, everybody, for speaking so smartly. I hope that you'll make it better next time. But this time around, I would like to tell you about the winner pair is, please come on, girls. Stand up, everybody, stand up. Yes. A bit of big round of applause for the girls. Hello, keep standing. Yes, please. Sit down, girls. Thank you. This one is the best pair, and I would like to give them the prize after the class is over, and definitely you'll be getting it. Wish you all the very best of luck, and I hope that you'll keep on working harder and smarter for making yourself the best speakers. And thank you once again. Big round of applause for them, please, girls.